Wouldn't it be nice to be able to automatically back up our smartphone's pictures, videos, and contacts, as well as charge the phone at the same time, all by simply putting our phone on a wireless charger? Sabah everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out the Ixpand Wireless Charger Sync by SanDisk. This is I feel like the best solution when it comes down to wireless charging and automatic backup for our devices, be it Android or iOS. This is TK, let's check it out. Like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you're always notified to whenever we have new videos on the channel. I do want to say thank you very much to SanDisk for sponsoring this video, but the opinions and the information I'm sharing with you guys in this video is after using this product for the last couple of weeks. Now, using the Ixpand system is very simple. All you have to do is make sure you set it up initially with your initial smartphone. You do need to download an application either from your App Store or your Google Play Store. And for me, I actually tested it out with 3 different devices. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I also have the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, as well as the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So 3 different devices to be able to test out here. And this is one of the reasons why I felt like the 256 gig storage capacity was very functional. There's 3 different options you're able to pick up: the 64, 128, or the 256. If you are going to use it with multiple devices, I do recommend going in with the higher storage capacity because there's no way of changing that once you purchase it. As far as the setup process, it's quite simple. The initial setup requires you to connect the actual charger to a Wi-Fi that you're going to be connecting your smartphone to. So you need to be on the same Wi-Fi for this to work. But once you go through the setup, there's a pin available that you're able to use it to authenticate through multiple other devices when you're adding them. So there's a security function of this so that you can't just basically install the app and access the information on it. So those are the things as far as just getting it to work. But after you do this, it's pretty much a simple process. Put your phone on the charger and it'll start charging and automatically start backing up your photos, your videos at full resolution, as well as your contacts. And what I also like about it is that it creates a separate folder for each device that you back up to it. So in this situation, I have 3 different devices. I have 3 folders sitting in there. And of course, it categorizes the images, the photos, and the contacts within that folder. And last thing, of course, accessing it, you can either access the data that's on this through the app. There's a tab in the app that allows us to check this out. The other option is the ability of using the micro SD cable, connecting it directly into your PC. And from there on, you can transfer all of that content down to your PC. And of course, you can also delete that content off your phone if you want to be able to save some space. And it's easily restored if you want to be able to bring it back directly from the Ixpand. All you have to do basically is go into the app, the second tab in the middle, which shows you all the content of your phone on that charger, and you can basically select what you want to restore. So there's a lot of really cool things that go in here. And what I really love about it is the fact that it's simple, it's easy to set up, and it makes backing up our smartphones in an automatic way. We don't even have to think about it. And it gives us the ability of releasing some storage off of our smartphone. So there's a lot of different ways that we can look into this. And of course, from the security point of view, it's not accessible by anybody. You do need to have that PIN to allow you to not only set up a new device, but also make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi. All in all, a 10-watt charger that gives us the ability of charging our smartphone at a fast charging pace. Of course, the automatic backup functionality that we don't even have to think about, it automatically kicks in. And of course, the multiple user or the multiple smartphone functionality enables us to actually have this cover the entire family. So what I would recommend doing is, if you're thinking of getting it for, let's say, yourself, your spouse, and your kids, or anybody in the family that's going to be using it with more than one device, definitely go in with the slightly higher capacity. Full resolution image backup is a very big thing. The fact that we can easily access this content either through the app or on our PC makes it also very functional. And of course, it has a 10-watt charger, which enables us to charge our smartphones at a fast pace. So all in all, it's a win-win for us. At the end of the day, wireless chargers like these are the way of the future. Because we're losing SD cards on our smartphones, iPhone don't have them anymore. Samsung deleted them from almost the entire S series. So we really need to figure out ways to release some of the internal storage, especially if you go with the 128 model, which again is the entry level. If you've ever worried about when do I back up my smartphone, when do I have time to sit down and connect my phone and back up my content, I think the Ixpand provides us that service automatically and much easier than we've already seen in the past. My hope is that you're able to find a solution that fits your need. We're starting up at 64 gigs all the way up to 256 gigs of internal storage, and depending on how many devices you want to be able to use, the setup is very simple, and it again works on both Android and iOS. Thank you very much to SanDisk for allowing me to check out the Ixpand, and again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, as usual, like and subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video.